Are you looking to boost your productivity and get more done in less time? Well, welcome to ChatGPT for Productivity, 7 essential hacks you need now. I'm Paul. I've spent years helping learners just like you use technology to work smarter, not harder. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list or struggle to stay focused, you're not alone. I've faced those challenges too, and that's why I created this course. In this course, you will discover how to harness the power of ChatGPT to simplify your daily tasks and enhance your productivity. You'll learn essential skills like task management, effective communication, and time management techniques. Imagine finishing your work faster and having more time for what truly matters in your life. We'll cover important topics like setting up ChatGPT, integrating it into your routine, and using practical hacks to maximize your efficiency. Each lesson includes hands-on exercises so you can apply what you learn right away. This course is perfect for busy professionals, students, and anyone who wants to take control of their time. If you're juggling responsibilities and want to achieve your goals, this course is designed for you. And here's one more reason to start now. Udemy gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try the course, go through the lessons, and if it doesn't meet your needs, you'll get a full refund, no question asked. So why wait? Click enroll now and start boosting your productivity with ChatGPT today.